Good. Speaker. I'm gonna go and get me a smoothie before I go. I brought some of my brushes home last night just to wash them, because sometimes I don't want to wash them like after a long day. Usually if I don't feel like washing them, I'll just bring them home and wash them here and let them dry or whatever. So I'm just woke up like 30 minutes ago and put on my clothes, and I'm actually going to the gym after I'm done working. So I'm just gonna bring you guys along for my day. I'll see you guys in the car. Okay, I just had a moment. If y'all don't remember, in like the past videos, I now have a puppy, and y'all, it's a lot. Like, it is a lot to deal with that. Like, she has her moments when she's like okay, and she doesn't, you know, as far as her training, pooping and stuff. Okay, so I've learned you're supposed to turn it on first and then, okay. As far as her pooping and stuff, like, she'll do good. I'm sorry, y'all. And then sometimes she'll just go back to pooping on the floor, and I'm just like, so I'm really just trying to learn like patience with her. So in the morning, what I usually do is listen to a podcast. So the podcast that I listen to is called Slay Girl Slay, and I listen to Between the Beat, and I love this podcast. I don't really listen to this one. I don't know why I don't listen to, honestly, these three are the ones that I listen to. So I'm gonna listen to this one because I just love her voice. But is it me, or has it been raining every day of the summer? This weather got me like in a funk, y'all, like for real. But like I said, I do my podcast in the morning while I'm driving to work. I always try to get there at least 15-20 minutes before my clients, well, before the client's appointment. If y'all don't know, I am not working from home anymore. I moved into a shop with my hairstylist. It's just something temporary for now, but I have a little room in the back of the shop. I'm just all over the place. Let me order my smoothie so that I won't be late. And this is usually what I do in the morning. I'll usually order a smoothie, or I'll drink me some tea if I have time, you know, if I remember. But usually I order me a smoothie and listen to my podcast. I just had the weirdest thing just happen. I guess they didn't hear me come in, and then when they walk around the corner, everybody's like, baby, the doorbell rang. Like, let's taste this. Somebody said I ain't made it. So, something. Okay, let me just sit down and tell you guys the harsh reality of being a makeup artist or a hairstylist. When people cancel on you and don't show up, it affects your money, right? Hold on, putting my stuff up. So this morning, today is Monday. I don't know if I said that. Today is Monday, and I actually wasn't even going to work today, but I squeezed in 2 people this morning. So I got up out of my bed at 7:30, got dressed, drove up here to Montgomery, 20-30 minutes away, to do these 2 girls. So I got up this morning at 7:30 and got ready, put my stuff up, packed it up, put it in the car, and came all the way up here 20 minutes away from home to the shop, and I'm ready to work. These were 2 squeezing appointments. So the first girl showed up, my 9 a.m. showed up, and then I had a 10 a.m. And she was already giving me the impression that just like whatever, you know, when I reached out to her and was like telling her where to come and everything, and she was just like, yeah. When I texted her and was like, hey, this is Jasmine, here's the location, she was like, yeah. But in my email, you was a whole different type person. So I just, whatever. But now that it's time, it's like 15 minutes before your appointment, you want to text me and say, hold on, let me read it. She said, I'm gonna have to take a rain check. I can't see the road because of the rain. I'm sorry for the inconvenience, but thanks for squeezing me in anyway. No, that's not how that goes. I am not being insensitive to the fact that it is raining outside, but you're in Montgomery. It's literally drizzling outside. It's not thundering, if you get what I'm saying. So when people book me, I make them sign a waiver on my site saying that if you cancel on me same day for any reason, the payment is due to me. And I text her and said, hey, I understand, but I drove in the rain all the way up here from Prattville to do your makeup. I said, this is same day canceling, the payment is still due, and you clicked on the site that you understand these rules. I will attach that below, and you can send your balance to my PayPal or my Cash App. If the payment is not received by the end of the day, you will not be able to book again. So that's just what happens sometimes, and I'm gonna figure out a way to change this now, because I don't want to keep dealing with this, because I don't deal with it a lot, but you know, sometimes people try it and then they won't send you the money that they owe you, knowing that they click that they understand, you get what I mean. So I'm about to change some things as far as that. I'm just gonna have to figure out the system that I need to switch to so that I can charge people's cards when they cancel on me same day, because yeah. But I'm about to head to the gym. I'm about to just run it off or whatever, and I will see you guys when I get there. Trying to show you guys that it's literally not even drizzling. I mean, it's not even raining, it's drizzling outside. Like, of course it's gloomy, but it's literally drizzling.
said let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be home soon. I don't wanna wait no. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms.
Yeah, push it.
It don't really matter where we stay. Cause space.
That's how I felt when I was pushing it.
Space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto. You already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? 'Cause space makes me sad.